Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find and replace in a specific column in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we want to find and replace the specific column. At first, go to the home menu, select the find and select drop down menu, choose find option, then write my find text. Now I am write my text, then click find all. We can see here automatically finded the all text. Now I am replace the text, select the replace option and replace the text, then click replace all option. We can see here automatically replace the 4 text, then close the window. Now we can see we find and replace specific columns easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.